G'day guys, it's Adam from Adelaide here, just updating you with another YouTube video. Yesterday I was lucky enough to be gifted this 1963 Victa Corvette 2 mower. I used to work for a well-known mower shop here in South Australia, and this was traded in many years ago on a new mower. It was bought new. The owner used it once to mow their lawn and then never used it again. Traded in on a new mower when I was working there. As you can see, it's all in original condition, never been restored, and as I said, it's only cut lawn once. It has all the original decals on it, as you can see, original paint, impulse start. Does have the in the catcher, it's got the rear deflector, the side deflector chute, sorry, and the blanking plate to blank off the back chute to stop clippings from going in the catcher. I just spent yesterday cleaning out the fuel tank because when I was working there, me and one of the mechanics got it running, but the mechanic forgot to drain the fuel out, so I've just cleaned the fuel tank and put some new fuel in it, and just I've had it running, so I will start it up for you guys. But just, it's an absolutely beautiful old mower. I do have all the owner's manuals and everything to go with it. It's a nice little addition to my mower collection. I've also got a 1952 Rotomo Model 2 and a 1958 Victa Special 18 and an Australian made Whirlwind. So it's a nice little addition to the collection. So what I'll do is I'll start it up, and I'll show you how you start it, and then I'll show you a video of it running. Okay, so I'll do my best to try and start this and film it one-handed, but basically you flick this lever in, you crank the handle up. The book says 3.5 turns. I don't think it's really that necessary, but just like that, and then it's just a matter of giving it some throttle, which I've already done, and then flicking this lever. And she didn't start. All right, let's have another go. I'll just give it a little bit more throttle. Flick the lever.